Super Conny, a symbol of innovation and reliability, which reflects Prysmian's commitment to linking communities, industries and progress. Today, Super Conny is flying to London, UK. Lofty and elegant, the Shard is the tallest building in Western Europe, with a record height of 310 metres. An audacious steel and glass sculpture designed by Italian architect Renzo Piano, this unconventional skyscraper is a masterpiece of modern architecture and a true vertical city, boasting apartments, restaurants, hotels and offices distributed throughout its 95 stories. Prysmian was selected to be the exclusive supplier of the cables and components that make up the power distribution circuits in the skyscraper, as well as its official consultant on choosing the best installation methods.
Hi, Connie. For this project, we need specific Prysmian Fire Performance FP600S cables and low and medium voltage cables from the Affumex Low Smoke Zero Halogen product families. We also need components such as glands, cleats, and advise on best practice. Can you help us?
Should a fire break out in such a huge and crowded building, time is of the essence to allow occupants to evacuate quickly and to allow emergency services to extinguish the fire and provide immediate assistance. Keep following Conny and her heroic projects.